Now we will understand the screen mirroring feature. Make sure your phone and projector are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So from the home screen, we'll go to the apps. Here in My Apps, you'll see the iOS cast option. Click on it. Scroll down to the control panel. You can see here the screen mirroring option. Click on it. Click on the projector C153. Your phone is connected. Now we will understand how to mirror your Android phones. From the home screen, we'll go to apps. In the My App section, we'll go to Miracast option. Click on it. Scroll the control panel. Click on the Smart View Mirror option. Click on the projector. It's connected.